Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we bought a lot of squishies. So first we bought this fuzz ball. It has like a good texture, but it smells bad. Okay, I like it. And secondly, we have we have whatever this is. Oh, not whatever this is. It's a butter squishy. It's a butter squishy. So nice. Oh my god. It almost fell. See what it's squishy, and I love it so much. It smells so good. And now this dumpling. Okay, let's open it. It's pink. It's like has in it it's foam. And next but not least we have this donut squishy. I like it. It's like a taba donut squishy. Bye bye guys, love you.